welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, I'm going to be doing a home decor haul. But not just any home decor haul. It is for fall. You guys, I cannot believe fall is almost here. It is September 1st. Oh my god. Wow, this year flew by so fast. And I'm really excited to be bringing up the pumpkins that you guys didn't get to see last year, and also new pumpkins. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie and I love filming home decor videos, lifestyle, and also beauty, fashion, a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. I'm excited for this video. I have collected a lot of things, but I'm just gonna be strictly fall decor. I kind of got stuck for a second. Strictly fall decor. I do want to show you guys the makeup of the day. I cannot believe I'm wearing lip gloss, and it feels kind of weird because I never wear lip gloss, so my lips feel they feel kind of sticky, so I'm not used to that feeling. But anyways, I'm gonna try to not pay attention to it and rock the look. I wanted to do something different today, and I was like, you know what, I'll do a little bit of lip gloss. So let me show you my two pumpkins that I got, and again from Home Goods. They are so beautiful, you guys, and I have to give credit where it's due. The first time I saw this pumpkins was at my friend's Instagram. Her name is Medium. She will also known as my Latina house or home, I think. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in following her. I've been telling her that she needs her own YouTube channel, but she's not ready yet. But when she is, I'll definitely let you guys know. Anyways, back to the pumpkin. So this is the pumpkin that I got, you guys. Oh my goodness, isn't it stunning? I saw it, I think she owns it. I don't know if she owns it or not. I can't remember. The price for this was only $12.99. I love the fact that it has the little crystals. It is such a glam pumpkin. In the past, when I used to decorate with pumpkins and fall decor, my decor was very orange and brown. But this time around, I want to make it more glam and more, I don't know, more sparkly. So when I saw the pumpkin, I was like, I have to have it. They do have it in two different sizes. No, actually, I think it's 3 sizes. Yeah, 3. So the big one is $20. I'm assuming the medium is $14.99 and the small one is $12.99. So this is my pumpkin. The next pumpkin, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at this pumpkin. It is all pearls. Oh my goodness. It kind of reminds me of that Chanel bag that just came out not that long ago, and it sold out. It's all full of pearls. Oh my god, I think that's such a beautiful, beautiful bag. It retails for like $4,900, which is not gonna happen for this girl anytime soon. But I just think it's such a beautiful, beautiful bag. So when I saw the pumpkin, it reminded me of the Chanel handbag. I don't know if I shared with you guys, but my husband got me a new coffee table for my birthday, June 24. Oh my god, it's been forever. I need to do like a what I got for my birthday video. I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing that, but if I do feel like it, I'll record it for you guys. The next item that I got, I actually got this a year ago, you guys, but I don't think I have ever shared it, and I never used it before. So it is this placemats. It is 4 of them. I believe the price for it was $10 each. Look at the detail of the placemat. I'm going to be using this placemats for, of course, I'll be changing my decor around because I do want to decorate for Halloween. Halloween is a big one. I did it before when Rosa and Diego were little, and I plan on doing it this year too. I know Athena and Leo are going to love it. I might make him a part of the whole decorate with me video like I did before for Rosa and Diego. That was so much fun when they were in my video. They were like zombies. But anyways, let me show you how the pattern looks. It is so glam. You can use this year-round. This is not only for fall, but just year-round. And when you purchase things for fall, try to keep that in mind. To use items or to purchase items that you are going to be using year-round. That way, you don't break the bank and it's only for one season. Alright, you guys, moving on. This is another item that I purchased last year that I didn't get to use. It is some napkins. And they're cloth. I want to say that the price for this was $7.99. It was pretty affordable. I only got 4 But I know I have, my dining table is for 6 chairs. But lately, when I decorate, I've been decorating for 4. And I just put the other chairs on the back, which is a lot cheaper for me. That way I don't have to purchase six of everything. So 4 is good, but realistically speaking, we all use the table, which is 6 people. But for decor, it's okay. I'm gonna do 4 at the moment. Maybe if I decide to change it up, you guys will see pictures on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me there at Leslie Joanna _ That's my Instagram name, and also I'll leave it down below so that if you guys want to check out what I do on the daily, that is where I am most active, for sure. Alright, I thought I said it's strictly fall decor, and now I'm jumping into this Halloween decor. Alright, I did purchase these 2 spiders from Rosa. They were only $6.99. They're so cute. I'm going to be placing them on my table. Leo saw them and he thought they were so nice, so he's like, yes, let's take them. So I took them. I listened to my 2-year-old like any good mom would do. No, just kidding. I got them because I thought they were really nice and I can use them for many years to come. Alright, I'm going to stick to the rule that I just decided to do. So 2 more items, and that is... Actually, no, I'm going to show you. I am not sure if this is for fall or if it's year-round because I'm kind of confused. It kind of looks like Christmas to me, but you tell me. I found these beautiful, beautiful cheese cutters from Rosa. They were only $6.99, you guys. But I'm kind of struggling to see if this is Christmas. I mean, I see a little ball right here. So I don't know if it's for Christmas or if it's year-round. But I'm going to keep it for year-round. I love birdies. So I saw it and I just thought it was so cute. The price was so reasonable, $6.99, and I just thought the detail on the handle was so adorable. Like I said, I love birds. I don't know, something about birds. I've been having a thing for birds for a long time, but I didn't realize it until I started looking at the things that I purchased or what I am attracted to, and I'm like always looking at those pretty trays with birds, anything birds, flowers, count me in it. And I also got some towels. I am always purchasing towels. Let me know in the comments down below if you're one of those girls who is always buying towels. That's me. I feel like over time they kind of start smelling moldy, and I did purchase some white ones a while back. That was a bad idea. Especially with kids, it was such a bad idea. So I got rid of them all, and now I'm bringing back my grays and whites, which is a little bit more doable. I love, love, love the print on these towels, and they are by Tahari. They only had 2 of them, so I picked them up, and they're so pretty, you guys. I love, love the pattern. And then also, I was running a little low on utensils for my kitchen. Well, not for my kitchen, but for cooking. And I love the ones that are made out of bamboo. To me, they work perfectly. So I purchased this little set for $3.99. And it comes with 6 utensils and a little spatula that is pink. Super cute. Leo, lately, he goes outside on the backyard and he plays with dirt. And he was grabbing all of my utensils, so he ruined a bunch of them. A few I threw away and a few I just let him have so that he can play. He loves playing with rocks, sand. He's such a cute little boy. Leo, by the way, he's my 2-year-old son, in case this is your first time watching me. I am a mommy. I have a lot of kids. I have 4 kiddos. And yeah, so I'm excited to be having my new utensils. I really needed them. So I did go to the 99-cent store the other day. For the holidays, I do want to make a 99 cents, everything 99 cents, fall decor. So this is going to be one of my items, and I'm actually going to be doing a DIY on this little pumpkin, so you guys will see what I'll do. I want to invite Rosa to be a part of my DIY because it's been a while since you guys have seen her, and she's already almost 11, you guys. In September 22nd, she'll be 11. I cannot believe it. Wow. Time flies. But I think she'll enjoy doing this DIY with me, so we'll do it together. Moving on. I'm going to show you guys my last item. I want to cut it up right here because, like I said, I want this to be only fall decor. I got a little sidetracked, but we're getting back on track. My last 2 items are very pretty, and I got them at HomeGoods, and this is what I got. Alright, here you have it. New pillows, new fall decor pillows, you guys. And again, I'm sticking to my grays and my glam. As you can see, this part right here is velvety, so it matches my couch. This is more of a fabric. And also, the finish of this material has like sparkles. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it does. It's really, really pretty. And the price for it was only $20. I was looking for something very glam, but then I remember that last year I did purchase some pumpkin pillows that were so pretty. They have a lot of glam. So I thought, you know what, not too much glam. Let's keep it kind of simple. So this is a little bit more simple compared to the other pillows that I have, and I do have 2 of them as well. So yeah, this is my new pillows and I'm excited to be decorating. So yes, another video that I want to make is a decorate with me. I was thinking my living room because I did purchase a few things for my living room. I'm excited for fall. I wonder how December is going to be. I'm going to try to keep it simple, you guys. Last year after Christmas, I did purchase a lot of decor that was on sale at Michael's. Where else did I go? I went to a lot of places and I do have tons of new items that maybe I can do a haul on that. But I want to not spend so much on decor this year for Christmas. That's the plan, but you know, things never go according to plan, and I know how that goes too well. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite item. Which items are you gonna go hunting at Home Goods for? And if you do have any of the pumpkins, let me know in the comments down below. If you are decorating for fall, if you're skipping it, if you're doing Halloween instead, I would love to know. I'm doing both, you guys. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, share it. That helps you grow out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. I almost forgot to show you guys this little teacups. Oh my god, they are adorable. I got 2 sets, and again, they're from last year. I never used them or showed it to you guys. They also had the teacup, the teapot, which I hope I get a chance to find it at Home Goods. And this is how they look like. Inside, the other day, Leo came up here and he put nail polish all over these things. I'm telling you, he's a handful. Leo. But those are my new teacups that I'll be using for fall. So you'll see those on Instagram.